Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'd like to show you how to download Oracle Java JDK and install it. In this case, I'm going to show you how to download Java SE, stands for Standard Edition, but there's also Java EE, stands for Enterprise Edition. We're going to download the latest version, SE 15. Downloading and installing EE version should be similar. So you go to this website, oracle.com, and all the way Java downloads, and you click Java download over here. Okay, and then you move all the way down and downloading for Windows. I have Windows 64 bits, so I'm going to choose this one over here. Okay, and just say downloads. Now I have downloaded, and then all I need to do is go to the downloads folder, which is under this PC downloads. And then you see over here, double click it. There's a user control window show up. You have to click it and say yes, which I say yes, I authorize it, and then click next. Now it's successfully installed. Just take 1 or 2 minutes. After you install it, you can go here. This is a command line. You see CMD, it's going to open a terminal. And if you type Java C, now you can see it. The command is, let me see, Java version. It's a 15.0.2, and Java version is also over here. So both things are working. As a matter of fact, you can actually examine that the Java is installed here, right over here. Go to JDK, go to Java. Okay, so that's it. So you can see over here that the time is 4:13. So just installed under this, and you can go to JDK 15.0.2 just to make sure you understand better. So actually the two command, which is one is Java C. This is Java C is a compiler. You're going to use it to compile your Java program. And the other is the runtime. You're going to run the Java program. So that's the two steps you're going to do. So both commands are actually right in this directory, just for your knowledge. And sometimes it's not going to be automatically assigned for you. So if you type Java in some directory, it's not going to working. What's going to happen is you're going to set a environment in that case. So you're going to say setting, and then system setting. Okay, you're going to type this command, and then over here you have an environment variable. Okay, let me just close other things, not distracting you. So environment variable over here, one of the environment variable in the system variable is so-called path. So over here you can choose a path. In this case, the path is they set a Java path over here. So you can say, let's say I go to the command line again. Over here, you go to program files, and you go to Java, and you go to JDK. Actually, you can type tab, and then it's going to automatically give you tab, and then you go there, and then go bin. And so you can copy this directory. Now let me just highlight it. You highlight it, and over here you say copy, and then move over. You can add. We can have a new ng. So and then copy this. Forget about this right angle. So then we added this entry, and you can move this entry up. So that's the first entry in the path. That means whenever you type the commands, Java or Java C, the Windows is going to look for there's two commands in this order. Okay, so it's going to look for Java or Java C command. in this directory first, which is going to find it. And then in this way, for sure, these two commands are going to work in your commands. So anytime you do that, you need to open a new terminal, not the old terminal. So now Java should be working, Java C should be working. And if you want to make sure they have the same version, so it's, so you're fine. So now you are ready to use your Java or Java C command from any directory you like, any working directory you like. Okay, so that hopefully give you some idea how to download Java JDK and install it and set the environment variable path so that both commands can be found by the Windows system. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.